Martin and Sullivan. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Sullivan County, northeastern Knox County, southwestern Greene County, until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:37 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Russellville, or 13 miles southeast of Robinson, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include up to quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Oaktown, Sanborn, and Freelandville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: Greene, Knox, and Sullivan. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio.